Hello designers, Dawn Lang with your tip of the day. To meet the diverse needs of our learners given the constraints we're currently faced with, there's a need to design performance support activities that serve a variety of purposes. Often, due to the use of synchronous and asynchronous training strategies, learners need an opportunity to practice and get that feedback outside of the e-learning module or the virtual classroom. With this purpose in mind, there are many options, including coaching, on-the-job assignments, or even a simulation. Once you've determined the best way to accomplish the practice and feedback, the next step is to choose an implementation tool or technology. Examples include interactive video, collaborative software, or even a face-to-face solution. It's important to validate the performance support activities before you implement them, ensuring the constraints will not impact or restrict the implementation. And that's my tip of the day.